Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. I am your social studies teacher from Behriya Colleges PNET. Today I will explain you part 3 of lesson number 1, the universe and the solar system. Before starting the lesson, we revise some important points from previous lecture. Number 1 was the universe. The universe is everything we can touch, feel, sense, measure, or detect. It includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, dust, clouds, light, and even time. Next was the solar system. The solar system is the sun and all the objects that orbit around it. The sun is orbited by planets, asteroids, comets, and other things. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Next was the sun. The sun is a star found at the center of the solar system. The earth moves around it and it gives heat and light to the earth. Next was the moon. The moon is a large natural object that orbits or travels around earth. After the sun, it is the biggest object in the sky that shines at night by reflecting light from the sun. Now we start part 3 of the lesson from the earth. Earth is the planet we live on. It is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet known to have life on it. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has a large amount of liquid water. The earth revolves around the sun and takes one whole year to complete one circle. Next is orbit of the earth. While earth orbits the sun, the planet is spinning on an imaginary line called an axis that runs from the north pole to the south pole. It takes earth 24 hours to complete a rotation on its axis and 365 days to complete an orbit around the sun. Next, earth on its axis. The earth rotates about an imaginary line that passes through the north and south pole of the planet. This line is called the axis of rotation. Earth rotates about this axis once each day, approximately 24 hours. Next is rotation and revolution of earth. Earth spins around its axis just as a top spins around its spindle. This spinning movement is called Earth's rotation. At the same time that the Earth spins on its axis, it also orbits or revolves around the sun. This movement is called revolution. Revolution is the term used to describe the path or orbit of planets through space. Next is planets. A planet is a large object such as Jupiter or Earth that orbits a star. Planets are smaller than stars and they do not produce light. A star and everything which orbits it are called a star system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Planets are shaped like a slightly squashed ball. Objects that orbit planets are called satellites. Now, the last heading of the lesson is star. The star is a very large ball of bright glowing hot matter in space. That matter is called plasma. Stars are held together by gravity. They give out heat and light because they are very hot. Nuclear fusion makes light and heat and make bigger and bigger chemical elements. Stars are hot because nuclear reactions happen inside them. Those reactions are called nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion makes light and heat and makes bigger and bigger chemical elements. Now I have a home task for you. Your home task is to read the lesson carefully and fill the blanks with correct answers. There is also a worksheet. I hope after watching this video you will be able to complete this worksheet. This worksheet is about the solar system. Thank you, students.